Hello and welcome to our newborn photography safety series brought to you by StandInBaby. My name is Sandra Moffat, and in an effort to make sure that we bring you all the information and facts relating to newborn safety, joining me throughout this series is well-respected neonatal nurse Anne-Marie Fieri, who will be advising us on the essentials to safely working with newborns in a studio environment. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about safety issues with newborn photography. But before we start, I'd like to say that if you are unsure about anything you hear during this series, please seek advice from a medical practitioner near you and get the answers that you need. If you have been given information from other sources, make sure it's a reliable source because the health and well-being of our clients should always be put first. In this tutorial, we are going to be discussing working with props. We will be covering what to look out for as well as what to avoid. Let's take a look. When using a prop, foremost in your mind should be baby safety and protecting a baby. Using this prop, which is again one of my favourite props, what do you suggest?
Sandra, this is beautiful and I love it. So one of the first things that I do notice about this is that it's actually, you can wipe it over, you can wash it. It's been lacquered, varnished, so, it is quite a safe prop. The other thing that I notice is that